I'm Reverend Gene Filler, and I'd like to invite you to join us here at the Church of Unlimited Credit. You know, when you go to heaven, you don't want someone there at the pearly gate saying, ID, please. You like them knowing who you are and where you've been. That's why we here at the Church of Unlimited Credit have a new plan called Our Dowry to Heaven. You can start now, or we also have a layaway plan for those of you who plan to continue on. Also, for our young people, we have Club God. Please join us now, and if you do, you'll receive this incredible testament here, the New Testament according to Evelyn Wood. Yes, an incredible tract that saves you so much time. Listen to this one. Genesis. In the beginning, he rested. How much simpler. And if you order now, you get this incredible Ziploc prayer and healing cloth for your tract. So please, join us and help support our young missionaries somewhere in the south of France. Join us now. Please call the number flashing at the bottom of your screen. And for our Spanish brothers, huevo, ocho, gracias, cinque. Gracias, amigos. Bless you all. Thank you from Reverend Gene Filler.